I'm just going to run you through my project for this week. Here I have my two files, my app.js and my other file that I labeled data. As you can see, I have each object broken down into a variable, and then I have a loop to create rows into two different sections, and then the sections are added to the main window here in the app.js file. So I will show you the simulator real quick. Here it is, and each time it just alerts you to if you can afford it or not. I just split them up into sections of not affordable and affordable in the sections anyways, but if the app was random, you could set the sections as something else. You can see in my code that my method for each different bike right here is affordable. Here's the dot notation format of the function or method within the object. Just basically saying that if the price of the bike is less than the money that you have in the bank, then you can not afford the bike. And up top here is the literal notation for the same exact function. So I just have the first 5 objects here in a comment for literal notation, and the other 5 down here are objects in dot notation. Things I ran into that were an issue were basically just the setting up of how the dot notation and literal notation were different, and how I could get both to fit the same for loop to run into the table. Other than that, this week went pretty well, so see what happens next week. Take care.